Now we're going to look at both directions of our Roman numeral. Note that what I've put on here is a singular example for each direction. In some of the parts actually on the number systems review, I didn't even cover concepts we might have done in class. This review is not an end-all be-all, this is what will be on the test kind of thing. It's just an opportunity for you to have these videos, see how I might write something down, and kind of just remember what you've forgotten. You should really go back to your homeworks, back to your notes, or back to the new version part of the review where I mixed a bunch of questions in to make sure you're solidifying and feeling good about the exam. All right, we're converting 2,108 to a Roman numeral. Remember, I did give the very basic symbols of what they are. 2,108. We're going to have 2,000s, 1 of the hundreds, and then we're going to have to make 8, which is going to be V with 3 of the i's following it. So none of the minus situation here. There was no 4s or 9s. Those are when we kind of start to look at those -1 situations. We just have 2, sorry, let me make them look more like capital letters. 2 M's for our 2,000. We have a C for our 100, and then we have V, I for the 8. And that's moving into the Romans. Now the other direction, we're given a Roman numeral and we need to convert it into our Hindu Arabic. Let's remind ourselves what the M's stand for. Those are thousands. So this is 3,000. CD. Remember that when you have a smaller amount in front of a larger amount, for example, C is in front of D, it doesn't say DC, that is the subtraction situation. So if it says CD, it's really 500 minus 100, CD, because that smaller value is written in front of the bigger value. That's when we get that subtraction situation. So that's actually 400. CD is representing 400. All right, LIV. So the L gets to 50. And then the IV, once again, we have a smaller value in front of a bigger value. So it's really 5 minus 1, which is 4. That IV is actually that subtraction again. So we're going to have a standalone 50 for that L, and then that IV makes 4 on the end. So L, 50, and then 4 for that IV. When I put them together, I have 3,454.